Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript with Express.js. Using TypeScript with Express.js allows you to create type-safe and more maintainable server-side application. Here's a detailed guide on how to set up and use TypeScript with Express.js. To create a simple TypeScript application with Express.js, follows these steps. First, open VS Code and open terminal and create mkdir or make directory and app name Express app. After that, go to that and bring this file to VS Code. After that, we want to initialize npm init dash y. It will create package.json. After that, we want to install TypeScript and required dependencies. For that, npm install TypeScript at types. We want to node at types slash express. After that, we want to create a tsconfig.json file for TypeScript configuration. For that, npm tsc dash dash init npx tsc see it was created tsconfig.json. Next, we want to create a file index.ts TypeScript file, and then we want to import express request response from express. Next, const app equal to express, and then we want to create a const port equal to 3000, and then app dot get slash comma arrow function response dot send hello TypeScript express.js. App.listen port console log if I save this Next, we want to compile TypeScript code for that. npx tsc. This will create an index.js file using the use strict. Next, to run the application, we want to type node index. See, we are getting hello TypeScript with Express.js. This will start an Express server and you can now access your application by navigating to HTTP localhost 3000 in your browser. Using TypeScript with Express.js allows you to write type safe and more maintainable server-side application. By following these steps, you can set up and start using TypeScript with Express in your projects. Thank you.